Stop making type beat slop. What is type beat slop? What is slop in general? Because I think like we are losing a meaning of actual artist jobs. And no, I'm not like the next musician worrying like, no, just stop making type beats, stop making. No, I want producers to make money. This is why I made my course first link in the bio. But I do just want for the type beat slop to end, to just fucking like don't continue this trend, please. I like saying type beat slop, okay? What is the type beat slop? Type beats are not like this mainstream topic, like they are not talked about to death like entrepreneurship, like gym, like fucking dropshipping, like all this stuff. But being in the game for quite a while now and seeing all producers like going from I was the producers, like I was like you and I was looking for generic advice like go for fucking like R&B type channel, like go for fucking splurge type channel, like go for okay, it might work, it might, but it won't, because why am I saying all this stuff? Like honestly, do you think if 50 or like 100 people, like how many views are on the guides on the internet, right? I was always preaching this because you don't understand this one single fucking reason. If there is 5,000 or let's say 10,000 views under a YouTube video, right? So there is at least like 10 or 15 people who took this exact same advice that you are trying to apply, and they are trying to do it in the same time. So use your fucking brain. Use your fucking brain for once and think. What happens? Maybe like fuck it, like splurge type beat was actually like banging niche, like or R&B. But use your fucking brain, right? If 15 producers start at the same time on the same niche, what happens? Oversaturation, because like if everyone is doing the same thing, right, and this market isn't really like huge like they are portraying, like there will be so many artists, there will be like so many no bro, the like fucking artists don't want to pay for beats. Artists can pay for beats if you like, you know how to sell, how to persuade them, like you know how to navigate, how to operate, how to market yourself, okay, then they want to buy. But like, if you are fucking like Mr. Nobody, sorry to like say this, and if you're hearing this for the first time, like if you are like Mr. Nobody, like you are like everyone else, there are so many producers, bro. No one is gonna care. So am I actually saying with this video to just stop making type beats and just fuck it, like go with the different business model or go with like fucking quit music already? No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that you have to think outside the box, right? You not necessarily you have to invent niches, but you have to revive them. And I've been like doing this myself for a while now. I'm seeing pretty good results with my strategy, and I just wanted to record this video, maybe like hopefully someone sees it and like this occurs to them, because it's really easy to get caught up in this like thought loop right now when there is so much information that you are following these guides blindlessly, like with the fucking bandana over your eyes, right? And you're just going like, oh, where are the views? Where are the views? Where are the sales? Where are the money? If you're fucking desperate for money, you're never gonna get it. If you're desperate for views, you're never gonna get it. You're the same for girls. Like you have to think of this like with thinking of girls. Like I don't know how to break it down like even simpler, but if you are thirsty for this, you're not gonna fucking get it. And we don't need the 100th and first R&B type beat channel. This already has been done like to death. You can fucking like roll the dice and play the game. I did this. It's not worth it. Because you're just blending yourself with fuck ton of all other producers. And okay, there is like still a chance, but haven't you like want to be an artist? Don't you like want to stand out? Don't you like want to your beats to fucking like recognize? Like this is what I'm saying. Like you need to fucking like stick out a bit. I am not saying you need to fucking like invent or nothing like this. If you are not really good at like okay follow, but just do something a bit different. Like you know, Because if you are gonna just copy one-to-one what someone else is doing, like it's not gonna work, bro. It's not. And it's like if you want to be like a businessman, like if you want to have the results of a fucking like serious person, how your input is not correlated to that. Like you're doing the input like a fucking wagey, like going to 9 to 5, like doing what exactly what is told to you. Because this is not the approach. I'm gonna be honest. Think about it, bro. Think about it, and I'll see you in the next 2 days. For now, if you want any specific help, I'm currently making a course. Honestly, it's like a steal. There is all the information you need for type beats, for girls, for gym, for diet, anything. Just first link below. You won't regret it. Bye bye.